Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage smart lock not working in cold weather, battery, lube and bolt alignment. When a Schlage smart lock fails in the cold, it is usually due to battery voltage drop, metal contraction, causing bolt misalignment, or moisture freezing inside. First, replace the batteries with fresh premium alkaline cells like Duracell. Then ensure the door is properly aligned so the deadbolt operates freely without friction. Fix 1. Replace the batteries. Cold temperatures severely degrade the performance of standard alkaline batteries. Always use premium alkaline batteries like Duracell as recommended by Schlage, and avoid rechargeable batteries as their base voltage is often too low to properly power the motorized deadbolt. If your lock uses a 4 battery pack, ensure it is installed correctly. For packs that uses a 9-volt style connector, the battery pack should be inserted with the 9-volt terminal on the left side. Fix 2. Check for door misalignment. As temperature drops, wood, metal, and fiberglass doors expand and contract. This can cause the deadbolt to grind or bind against the strike plate. So test the lock manually with a key or the interior thumb turn while the door is open. If it turns smoothly but binds when the door is closed, your door or strike plate is misaligned. Adjust your strike plate slightly so the bolt drops freely into the hole without any resistance. Fix 3. Apply dielectric grease and lubricant. Moisture can enter the pin mechanism and freeze or cause electrical shorts in the keypad wiring. Clean the keypad connector contacts with 99% isopropyl alcohol and apply a light coating of dielectric grease or Vaseline to protect against cold-induced condensation. Then clean the internal deadbolt mechanism with rubbing alcohol. Let it dry and lubricate it with a dry graphite powder. Do not use heavy liquid oils as they become thick and sluggish in freezing temperatures. Fix 4. Insulate and isolate the lock. Because the interior portion of the lock is exposed to warm, humid indoor air and the exterior is exposed to freezing outdoor temperatures, condensation builds up inside the lock brains, causing them to fail. Install a foam gasket between the interior assembly and the door. This isolates the electronics and prevents warm indoor air from meeting the freezing outdoor air. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.